done. Adobe, we're just gonna do these in alphabetical order. So Adobe here, I've not looked at these in a long time, but I clearly did mark out this zone a long time ago, and you can see that it is rejecting in this area. This week candle filled more into this zone, but it still has not broken this zone. So that is something to be mindful of. Price likes to gravitate towards whole numbers. So, 529 is kind of the whole number we're working with here. It's having a tough time breaking that 529 area, but your resistance or support, I guess, in this situation is right here, which seems to be maintaining it. So it's staying above 514, but it can't seem to break 529, so it's a little bit stagnant. Going back to the weekly, I mean, this candle is pretty bullish still, so that's good. I think there is still some bull momentum in this. I mean, if you look at the financials though, terrible. I mean, 49 PE ratio is ridiculous, very overpriced. So I mean, that always scares me. Buying overpriced things scares me. I know it can still continue to go up, and it probably will, but just the disciplined trader in me, I don't want to buy anything that's overpriced, and I don't want to sell anything that's undervalued. So that's just kind of how I operate. But based on this, I would say you could still buy it. I mean, today, Friday, closed with a bullish engulfing. It seems to be respecting the support area, so I would say it's still a clean buy. You could shoot for the next weekly target, which would be somewhere around here. It's kind of the next area of resistance, so all the way up to about 570. So from 529 to 570 here would be a decent buy. If you bought it now, it'd be good. If you bought it when it comes down, if it came down to 514, it'd be a good buy. Obviously, you would still want it to respect this area. If it broke this area, then that would kind of invalidate the trade. But if it respects this area, then it's a clean buy. So